Today we will be modifying a crimp spec slightly. If you are making a hose and a company has a crimp spec that is slightly different, say I'm making this for my customer who has 100R1 AT hose, however his hose is 0.800. So I'll just do the adjoining math over here and that's what we'll try and get. Today I will be using the K501 machine. I have the 750 die in, and I have no idea what I'm going to set it at. I just know I want to get 0.865. So we will flip the valve, and that will prevent the crimper from going back down. Set it in the usual spot. Here, let me turn that flash on for you. So let us and this is the Gates 8G1 hose. Let's release and see where we're at. Put you down right here. Zero the caliper. I'm very close. I want 0.865. So we'll just squeeze her a little more. Now let's see here. We are on about 64 set on. That's the top of this to the number. It looks like we're set at about 64. Let's move her up to about 65, 66. That ought to be safe. We're there. Let's see what that got us. A little more, but this hose actually is well, that's what happened. I'm at about 8.4, but that does look pretty good for an R1. And I am slightly under. And most hoses have your plus or minus 1,000th. So 10, or no, I think it's plus or minus 100th, so 10/100th. So I'd test that, but here, let me ease off the machine. We'll go back down to 65. Yeah. So I was going to cut this end off anyway. Let's see here. I have another fitting right here. Just got to make the other side anyway. Just slip her on so she goes all the way in. Let's hit it. I'll put you back where you belong. There we go. That's about right. So I'm hoping my customer will watch this one. That's about where you want to be. And I'll show you. I've got the 750 die. Turn Tungsten flash off. You can see that, Matt. 750 die, SHF HY series on 100R1 AT. I hope that helps